All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Wayne's World Garage. Today, Phil, Alan, and I are at the sawmill, and we're pouring some concrete. So what we decided to do is put sonotubes down, drill holes 30 inches into the ground, and then put some I-beams across the sonotubes to help secure the husk for the saw. We got some video of us pouring some extra concrete in a place where there used to be some stairs. No longer stairs there because it was covered in sawdust, and we shoveled it all out of the way. But anyway, that's a story, and I'm sticking with it. What we've got is we put piers in here. There's a pier here, a pair there, a pair. We got a pair of pairs. Pair of piers? We have a pair of piers, and this will have an I-beam on top of it right here, which goes to there. They are deep enough to meet code, 30 inches deep. We'll put the I-beam under it. Life will be good. And there was steps here, but there was so much sawdust under these steps, we couldn't even see it. Taking videos, you know, shooting the camera, moving the camera is work. I mean, look at Alan here, working hard.
3 ounces versus 80 pounds. Kind of lose something in translation.
Yes. Well, it's the old geezers pouring concrete. Need more water?
No.
Nope. All right.
No. Need more gray stuff.
Days. You got it?
Yes. Well, although not, what I always usually a week. I'll do work on concrete after a week. You know, as far as
Full cure?
oh, well, full cure they say 90% of it is like 30 days or something like that. I think. But certainly a week, we can play with it in a week.
They usually start removing forms in order.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yep.
So that's reinforced stuff.
Fire up.
I know, but
Behind if you want.
yeah.
Are we making that empty?
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe one bag? I'm thinking two, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Just one or two?
I'd put a couple in. I don't know. Two.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, well, what you don't see here is that sonotube right behind Phil is already full of concrete. And then one behind it, we filled it with concrete. So what we did is we used the 5-gallon bucket method to fill in the other one, and it worked out actually pretty well. So we had extra concrete lying around. Thank you so much, guys. So we decided to fill up the stairs with it. So we quickly framed up a little stair thing here, and we'll finish that off in a week or two. We'll put some wooden stairs on top of it, but it'll make a nice base for it. And we had some extra rebar. We put some extra rebar in it too. So you're not going to watch us pour our sonotubes, but you'll have to trust me. They went just about 30 inches deep, maybe 28. The frost line here is 30 inches. It's 12-inch diameter tube, and on top of them, what we'll do is we'll put this steel I-beam I brought the other day, and that'll be just wonderful. So anyway, that's a story. All right, so we had a little bit extra concrete, so we put steps in here, at least the start of the steps. We'll finish them off. And what we did, thanks to Phil and Alan's hard work, is we dug these piers under here. I don't know if you can see them. Here's one, the other's way back there. And we're going to put the I-beam straight across here, and it leaves a few inches for another piece of wood on top of it to secure this guy and keep him perfectly level. So we will put anchors in this, concrete anchors, next week once this guy dries. But this is a good step in securing our husk so that we're happy campers. All right. All right, Phil's going to try out his brushing skills. We do not want Sheila to see this, because if Sheila sees this, he'll be doing this at home.
Non-skid surface.
Right.
Right. Nice. Ah, is that good? Whee!
There you go.
Beautiful. Perfect. All right. Job well done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching another episode of Wayne's World Garage. So we poured this concrete, did a pretty good job. Digging holes was pretty easy. Manual post hole digger. Manual being Wayne, Phil, and Alan, but it worked out all right. So appreciate you all watching this. Do us a favor, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, guys.